How is methane affecting climate change? It's providing a bit under a third of the global warming happening today. 23% from the direct effect of trapping radiative heat, which would otherwise escape out to space, but 30% when its indirect effects are included. Methane breaks down to water vapor, CO2, and ozone. Tropospheric ozone operates as a greenhouse gas, and the water vapor from methane breaking down also traps heat, especially in the stratosphere where stratospheric clouds can get produced. Methane has a high radiative forcing, which means it operates as a very efficient blanket to hold in heat, despite its atmospheric concentration being only about 2 parts per million. Its global warming potential is often quoted as 33 times that of CO2, but that is a measure of the warming a given emission produces over an arbitrary 100 years, after which time it's pretty much all gone. Methane concentration is rising in the atmosphere, and so a more appropriate metric is its climate forcing, and that is at least 120 times the climate forcing of CO2.